Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, blessed my people. Dancehall skilla here again. Manners and respect each and every one. My people, I want you to look and listen to a video and tell me what's the best way to solve a type of situation that I can see and hear in this video that I'm about to present to you. Because I got the understanding from the video that one person accused a biker of damaging a certain part of a motor vehicle to a certain extent. However, the biker disagreed with certain things that the person said during subscribers. I did not get any confirmed information to determine how certain things might have happened, so I'm try to explain to the best of my knowledge. Anyways, the situation reached to a point where a person drove a motor vehicle and chased the biker. And then certain things happened. My people, there was some type of an confrontation between those persons. My people, look and listen to this video. Tell me what the best solution for this type of situation. You can tell me who you think was right from who you think was wrong when it comes down to the situation and so forth. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
What you want for the station for?
You gotta fix your car.
Fix what? Fix your car.
Bumper.
I gotta fix your bumper.
Yes.
Mom, you see that? No, you can video me, me and you can video me. Watch your bumper. Watch your bumper. Me don't see nothing broke when you think you nothing broke for you think, father. You can't tell me gotta fix it. Nothing in broke. Plus you call him $50,000, then 15, then some.
He said 15.
Yeah, but mom, the bumper ain't broke. That is the whole thing. You could take out about 40. You want to take out a done give him video, here, father.
Just take out.
Plus he look like he drinking and driving.
No, he's not.
Oh no!
He don't drink.
He don't drink?
He don't drink.
For what? Station for what, like,
Listen carefully.
But I trying to deal with you properly. You telling me what, the bumper too expensive. Plus then again, even the bumper is a scratch we talking about. Is a scratch I talking about? You talking about you bumper? You got like I gotta replace you whole complete bumper.
Yeah,
no.
That's all. You broke it. You gotta fix it.
The bumper ain't broke, though.
Go to the station.
But the bumper ain't broke.
Go to the station.
Your father, me and broke you bumper, father. Me ain't gonna lie to you. What is my bumper, buddy? This man barely gonna find scratch for your bumper. Telling me I got pipe back you bumper. Me know it. What is my bumper? This man barely gonna find scratch. Simplicity murder. And for the simplicity get find scratch alone. We can buff out. I can buff out. This is not a big thing. This man claiming that I got buy back you whole bumper. For 50 something, 15,000. When we gonna find them type one from? He's a poor man, he's not a rich man. Big boy, you gotta understand. Plus, big boy, you reckon gold chain, you reckon Air Force and everything. Yeah, but you're supposed to free me. You're supposed to free me. Fix what? Me ain't get none for fix nothing, bro. But father, nothing is not broken, father. Yeah, but it's not broken.
It's not broken.
It's not broken, father. It's a scratch. It's a scratch, buddy.
It's damaged.
It's a scratch, father.
It's damaged. You go to the station or what?
I cannot go to the station. I gotta work. I got work in the next 2 minutes.
Where you working?
I working.
Where?
I working at the wharf.
Which wharf?
You know, Beaker? I work in the Beaker. I can't. I can't. But father, your bumper is not broken, father. Your bumper is not broken. Come, stop it, this man ain't alright. But this man, mother, this man claiming for some 15,000, some 50 grand. I got buy back his bumper. This man claims he bumper broke. How he bumper broke? He bumper broke, G. I barely can see the bumper.
If you see any
I broke his bumper. You tell me, man, he could have free me, right? He could have free me. You tell me, man, you but me to get to you, G. There's nobody that thinking broke. Nothing in broke, G. Nothing in broke there. I'm sure you, buddy. That's smart thing, man. I'm to talk about all we human being, G.
No, I think not real, buddy.
I'm sure you say. Yeah, I telling you, but he this man insisting on some 15 grand for bumper, the complete bumper. Me, you don't know what that's smart thing. Man, I'm not to talk about what this thing, what you just what this thing is, G. If the man bumper went broke, I would have buy back there, man. But nothing broke here, G. You understand? So you can't try to tell me them thing, my father. Me, you try to deal with it right. You try to do accurate, buddy. You bumper and broke, buddy.
Anytime see them go on so.
You bumper barely get fine scratch there, father.
Anytime see anyone out there them where they are one certain things. Just take up look.
Father, don't leave me. Don't hold me. Don't hold me, right? Why this man really disrespectful to me, man? Try to hold me and think me, can't think, man. What is really disrespect, man, mate?
Alright, and yes, so no people.
Hey,
Yes, so
hey.
is another part now.
Man trying for rush for
Some
you,
time
man.
and
Things
chase
up on the
one.
sea.
Yes, so.
Nah, me ain't gonna take this here, somebody. Ain't gonna take this here. What she following me all here? There's Japanese. This man following me here, too. You look like you drinking. Hey, Bailey John, this man bumper. This man telling me you gotta buy back you a bumper. No, me can't buy back you.
Listen. Watch.
Me can't buy back you bumper. Buy back you bumper for. You gotta try that. He barely give a fine scratch when he bumper. He know run me with the car. Me don't know what he feel. Me don't really know what he feel about that. Run me down. One little fine scratch he get when he bumper by. He can't do that. She don't run me down.
Look, just look at the people.
Yeah, this big man and he bumping even bro. He telling me what 15,000 and me gotta pay for he bumping and get Japanese. I mean what to myself, me no broke he bumping even bro. Me barely to me suspect why sorry you get fine scratch for your bumper. He getting like some clown. I cost up and I want like some big clown. Me simply tell me say boss man me you bumping a broke. Me can't do nothing if you bumping a broke. What you want me to do? You know what you feel, sir? Can't run me down like that with the car.
But still, well,
Let's stop on it. You can't wanna run me down with your car, somebody. You don't know what this man really feels at all, right?
alright, my people. What
Wait,
I know?
so we're really-
What I know?
we're really want to do it.
This is me.
Fix one
Pay
big by you
attention.
bumping a broke. But you bumping a broke, big by? How big by you bumping a broke? We gotta fix you bumper by. Big by you bumping a broke, auntie. Just step with the vehicle and what is my mom. You consider this my mom for yourself. You bumping a broke, big by? What is my name by? The man say me broke, he bumping a broke, auntie. The bumper look broke, buddy. Yeah, it's a scratch here all about for 50,000 and me got buy back you. Auntie, the bumper a broke. Me not gonna lie to you, the bumper a broke, auntie. So me don't know what you getting up, plus you look like you hate about it. Me gotta go walk in the next half an hour. Me know this man, me lay this problem right about it. The bumper a broke. You bumper look broke, big, but you bumper a broke.
You just go and look.
Big, but you bumper a broke. Why the bumper about it? You bumper a broke,
I
bro.
run into my bumper, scratch my crack him, and he tell me he can't do nothing to fix it. And
The man said, you say me broke, you say me broke the bumper, big, boy. You say me broke it, me got buy you bumper. You bumper is 15,000, 50,000 something. Yeah, what you bumper a broke, father?
As also some people might say.
15,000, auntie, the bumper is not broken. How me can pay he anything that broke? The bumper not broke, auntie. But he like you want a problem. Me here trying to forget me to forget going to work. You look how you talk about the father. You gotta simply drive along you what you getting at? You bumper the big scene, mother. You bumper the broke. If you been broke, we want to fix it. It's not broke, father.
Can be a good solution to a situation like that.
You run into it.
So you show me what the damage is. Let me go and see what the damage is. You show me what the damage is. Me no know.
Now the people look, when you look carefully as you know and listen, look and listen
Tell
carefully.
why the man and come and hear you see that?
Because me I look
Why this is
the
stripping
part
is
of
like
the
in this
motor
way?
vehicle, me I try to see what me can see certain ways.
Yeah, me get you can
And
camera up and still start
certain
think
things doesn't make no
you
sense
lying to me. What is
So,
my bumper?
look
Me
careful.
you claim say you bumper broke. You bumper the broke here big, but what you bumper? What is my bumper? This my bumper the broke. Anything broke here? Nothing the broke here. Nothing the broke there. Me don't know what you claim say broke. I got buy back he bumper. Me not see you broke here. That is the thing, auntie. Me not see nothing broke for this man. Me not see nothing broke for this man. It's not lying. How about some 50 grand, some 15 grand for your bumper? You got buy back he bumper. I can't strip in this. And he bumper the broke. So me don't know why ignorance he talking to me. Me a poor man, me not a rich man, boy. You can video me, you want video that you story. You bumper the broke. He claiming that he bumper broke.
This is true.
That 50 grand or 15 grand for he bumper.
This is true, right? You try to dig into the page there, and this is real. Right here.
the bumper, bro.
Look right here.
What part of the bumper break, father? That is what you want to see. So good.
Crap.
What part of the bumper broke? Where it broke? This man claiming for say he bumper broke. I got buy he bumper back for 15 or 50 something thousand. Now I ain't seeing no broke on this one. What is bumper? Now I show you about it. Me know what this man going on, sir.
This big, this spray back here. I thought you were watching. It's crap.
No, the man claiming say broke he bumper. I got buy back here bumper. So me know we lying for.
No, stop. No,
One little squeak.
That's small thing, not a big issue, buddy. All you human being, father.
Radio station and radio
I gotta work, father.
Where you work?
I work at the sea. I just telling you, buddy, if you give me back, me not like you. That's why I ask you for your number. It's no, you ain't giving me your number.
No, you didn't. No.
But they bump on a broke. They bump on a broke, father.
What's the fine?
What you mean, father?
Not even number. You could figure
So what you want me to do? What you want me to do about it?
fix it.
Fix what? Fix what? Explain to me, fix. That's what you want to know. Fix what? You just tell me to fix. What to fix? Fix what? What broke, father? What broke there? Man, you need to tell me you stupid. Auntie, just please jump me. Can't you do it? That's ignorance. Don't show you.
I'm going to say to you.
Mr. Trouble. When we look on a situation, Mr. Trouble, and let me tell you something. See? The best solution for a situation like that, just call the police. Just call the police. Me know say, you know, at least one person might try to avoid certain things or so forth, especially when it comes down to the money part. But when we look on the stubborn situation there, I bet you call the police. Yeah, man, that's how we look on him and call the police, get out of the way. You know, if you take a good look at the back of the bumper there, at the motor vehicle, you know, you might be surprised, you know. Because why the person keep on insist that a certain part of the motor vehicle has been damaged to a certain extent, and me I look on the video, and me I try to see certain things, but me not see certain things. Me see certain things, but me don't see. Me see trouble right there, some people. So, tell me what you think about a situation like that. Who you think was right from who you think was wrong when it comes down to the situation? What's the best solution that you think for that type of a situation? Let me know. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show how a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone crashed and got damaged. The situation that I saw in the video came to more than one conclusions when it comes down to the situation, and I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness. You know, and I would like you to look at the video and tell me which one of these motorists you think might be at fault when it comes down to the situation. Let me explain. I got the understanding from the video that a motor vehicle that was being operated by someone came to a stop, and I also take notice of another motor vehicle that was at another spot. Anyways, so a person who was inside of a motor vehicle that was behind the motor vehicle that came to a stop drove the motor vehicle in a direction that caused the motor vehicle to crash, and the motor vehicle had been damaged. Which one of the motorists you think might be at fault? You can also tell me why you think an incident like that happened. I do not have any confirmed information to determine where the video will be recorded, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. Watch it. Watch it. So it's a matter about people. So take notice of those motor vehicles. You see that motor vehicle move to a certain direction. You see that? So based on the situation, and this is me now assuming certain things. See? Based on the situation, I assume that the motorist who was driving a motor vehicle stopped the motor vehicle because of a certain reason. I noticed another motor vehicle at a certain spot, and then the motor vehicle that was behind, that was being operated by someone, had been driven in a direction which caused it to crash. So, my people, which of those motorists you think might be at fault when it comes down to the situation? Is it one of them? Is it more than one of them? You let me know what you think, my people. In my point of view, I'm not so sure who to blame. Yes, I said, I'm not so sure who to blame. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that will be recorded in Jamaica. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a person had been held by police within the country of Jamaica. handcuff had been placed on the person's two hands, viewers subscribers. So when I say I didn't get any confirmed information as to why police held on to the person, but this video had been posted on social media, you know, and I would like you to tell me what you think about a situation like this based on certain words that I said in the video, even though I don't have certain confirmed information about the situation. Anyways, my people, here's the video, and look and listen to the video, and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
This come out there. This will come out the road.
Tell truck him no thank you also.
What we do?
I'm a police and I behave like a police. No sir. Don't drag him no thank you. Oh God. Watch out. Let's go with them before this.
Continuum Global Solution is seeking call center personnel to fill vacant positions. Company drop fair at the Virgin Baptist Church, Market Street, Montego Bay, on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
I see them, so then pull out J out of J house, because then go in a J house, one search J
You can also
phone.
call or WhatsApp 876-278-1045. 876-278-1045 to request an interview. Continuum Global Solution is offering a traffic rate starting at $550 per hour.
Okay, so one of the reasons why I present that video to you is because the video has been posted on social media. The video has been talked about on social media. You can let me know what you think about a situation like that. Now, I'm going to put together and present two pieces of videos to you. And in these videos, I hear the word train and I hear the word car. My people, I want to make it very clear that I am not able to confirm if anything said in these videos are accurate. And I'm not able to confirm if anything said in these videos are true. But these videos shows at least part of a train and a motor vehicle that was not on the road. I hope that these pieces of videos can bring some form of awareness. Viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe with me.
Train around secure, so. History this train lick car. So nobody in there for tap a train. How many people in there for tap a train? You don't see nobody with a red flag. Lucky.
So wait, a licky train, licky car? How where the frig going here, sir? So you train the people and the car over there so like you get licked. You know? That look like a train driver. So you never hear the train. Watch there.
Well, if those words in those pieces of videos are accurate, pertaining to whatsoever that was being talked about, well, my people, I hope that those videos can bring some form of awareness. So may I say, and hear what I'm going to say, and this is in my point of view and opinion. Anytime you see a train in motion on the track. Even if I hear you hear it, even if you have the slightest of an idea that a train up on the track will come towards you, or it even pass you or whatsoever, keep your distance. It's just a warning me I give you though. Keep your distance. Be very careful. Yeah. Keep a distance from a train in motion on the track. Keep a distance. Let me know what you think. And if you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Alright, now people, I'm going to present one more video to you. And this video shows when a person did something dangerous. This video shows when a person climbed down from off of a type of pole. Some people might call a pole like this a utility pole, and the person also held on to something that was somewhat attached to the pole in a way. The people, what this person had done was dangerous. See what I say? The person hold on to a type of wire and then let go and came down to the ground or the whatsoever, the people. So I said, it's dangerous. No one should never do anything like that. Look at the type of wires, the pole, my people. Take a look at this video. Oh, and the video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. What this person done are dangerous. Take a look at the video. Tell me what you think. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised before this video. Observe with me.
Enjoy the man, my time.
Huh? Here's what I'm talking about. A very highly dangerous situation. Why the person should not have been up at a certain height on that pole in the first place. More so to be climbing down from a type of pole like that. The whole situation dangerous. The person shouldn't do anything like that, my people. But that video has been posted on social media, and just ask you, my favorite subscribers, what you think about a situation like that based on what you saw in that piece of video. I think here's where I'm going to leave it, you know. Big up and respect each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, man, you know where you watch.
Dancehall Skilla.